Torchbeam upgraded H11 LED headlight bulbs. The Torchbeam upgraded H11 LED headlight bulbs are a game changer when it comes to automotive lighting. With a brightness of 28000 lumens, these bulbs provide unparalleled visibility on the road, ensuring a safe and confident driving experience. One of the standout features of these bulbs is their exceptional brightness. With a staggering 28000 lumens, the Torchbeam upgraded H11 LED headlight bulbs illuminate the road ahead like never before. Whether you're commuting through city streets or tackling rough terrains, these bulbs ensure that every obstacle is clearly visible, allowing you to react quickly and safely. Additionally, these bulbs come in a single item package quantity. This allows you to replace a single bulb in case of any mishap, which is convenient and cost-effective. No need to spend extra money on a full set when only one bulb needs replacement. The color of these bulbs is white,